The White House has a Hive thermostat. These are located on the hallway and also on the upstairs landing. Now, to use these, when you first approach it, you'll find that it's off. If you just push this button, it will show you what the actual temperature is at the moment and what the target temperature is. So here you can see the target temperature of the thermostat is 20.5 degrees, but the actual temperature of the atmosphere presently is 20.8. So therefore the heating is off. If I increase this by turning the dial clockwise, this will then say to the central heating that it needs to come on, and therefore this will activate the heating. As you can see, the heating is now on. If you wish to turn down the heating, just turn it counterclockwise, and then this will turn itself off. It is set on manual, so this means the heating is on all the time, so it will stay at whatever temperature you decide. If you wish to boost the water, then you have some buttons on top. So to boost the water, you just push this button. This will then show you 6 hours. If you push it again, it will cycle through how long you wish to boost the hot water for. Once you've selected the time, you just push the tick button. This will then give a countdown clock of how long it's boosted for. If you wish to turn off the boost, you just push it again and cycle through until it says off and push the button. And that is how to use the Hive thermostat. Thank you.